is quite a gathering in Port McNicoll, Ontario this evening as we are witnessing the tugboats coming in to move the Keewatin, which has been moored here for many years, and she's moving to Kingston. Today will be the beginning of that journey. So people have come out to witness this historical moment. It's kind of a sad moment. A lot of community members have put a lot of time and energy and volunteer hours into restoring this ship, and they're sad to see her go. We're hoping something equally as wonderful will come to Port McNicoll and give it that same reason again. But I think everybody's sending her off with best wishes for sure, and that she will settle well in her new community. But it's an interesting evening, and the sky is kind of showing a little bit of pathetic fallacy as well, a little bit of emotional sympathy with the dark clouds, the feeling of the crowd here as well. Interesting.